In this video, we'll walk through the process of adding an additional untitled audience to an existing Google Sheets workbook destination that you've already synced with Untitled. This method makes it easy to keep track of multiple audiences in a single Google Sheets workbook. If you haven't yet synced a Google Sheets workbook with Untitled, watch our walkthrough video about how to connect that destination first. From the Untitled dashboard, navigate to the visitor table and create a new audience. For example, you may want to filter for only B2C customers for this year to date. Apply those filters to the visitor table. Once your filter is applied, save this group of visitors as an audience. We'll name it All B2C and click Save. Now, within the Audiences tab, you can see this new audience and select Sync to Destination. The Google Sheet here has already been set up as an untitled destination and is syncing to another audience within Untitled. Click Setup Sync, and here you can select the sheet within the workbook that you want to sync this audience to. In this case, there is already one sheet in the workbook syncing to an audience named All B2B. Navigate to your Google Sheet that is already synced as a destination and create a new sheet and name it something like All B2C. Return to the Untitled page and refresh the list of sheets that you can select from. After that refresh, use the drop-down and select the new sheet, All B2C, and click Continue. Now the new audience is syncing to the new tab in the existing Google Sheets destination. After a few minutes of syncing, you can navigate back to your Google Sheet and see that your data has now imported into this tab, All B2C. Both audiences are within the same workbook, but on their own tabs, so that you can easily access, review, and use your customer marketing data for your online advertising and email marketing campaigns.